The Mediterranean Diet 101 for beginners. The Mediterranean diet may be the world's healthiest diet. It's a manner of eating that emphasizes enjoying entire meals and getting regular exercise, rather than a regimented and strict meal plan. We've laid out a step-by-step guide to following the Mediterranean diet, whether you want to make little tweaks or completely revamp your eating habits. Although there are no concrete rules for how to follow the Mediterranean diet, there are many general guidelines you can follow to incorporate the principles of the diet into your daily routine. As we jump right in, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with family and friends. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that is based on the traditional eating patterns of the Mediterranean countries. You don't have to live in Italy, Spain, or France to benefit from the diet. Many people are adopting it due to the multiple health benefits it provides. The Mediterranean diet isn't a set of rules to follow. It's more of a way of eating that stresses fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and extra virgin olive oil. Fish is the predominant source of protein, rather than red meat, pig, or chicken. Yes, red wine is allowed, but only in moderation. Fermented dairy is eaten on a regular basis, but in little amounts. On rare occasions, eggs and chicken are consumed, but red meat and processed foods are not eaten on a regular basis. How to get started? The goal is to imitate healthy eating habits by people in the Mediterranean regions. It is a basic guideline for what to eat at each meal. When in doubt, remember this basic fractions rule. 1. Half of your plate should consist of fruits and vegetables. 2. 1/4 of your plate should consist of whole grains. And 3. 1/4 of your plate should consist of healthy protein. We have included a link to a portion-sized plate in the description below. Here are a few additional suggestions for how to fill those spaces. Focus on whole foods. Make vegetables the main part of your meal. Swap red meat for fish. Cook with olive oil instead of butter. We have also included a free Mediterranean guide in the description below. America has a reputation for putting cheese on everything. Rather than smothering everything in cheese, try to consume a variety of tasty cheeses in moderation. Choose strong flavored cheeses such as Feta or Parmesan. A tiny amount would be enough. And avoid processed cheeses such as American and cheddar. Enjoy yogurt as well, but when possible, go for plain, fermented, and Greek varieties. Avoid flavored yogurts with a lot of added sugar. Too much sugar is bad for your health. Also, reduce refined grains with whole grains. Snack on nuts. Don't be scared of the fats in nuts. Like olive oil and avocados, they are high in poly and monounsaturated fats, which are healthy fats. Avoid sugar as much as you can, such as processed cookies, crackers, refined carbs, and sugar. You can also enjoy wine, but not more than a glass of it. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. And let us know in the comment section what other videos you would like to see. Health benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Aside from weight loss, these are some potential benefit of the Mediterranean diet is that it promotes heart health. Extensive research shows that the diet may even be linked to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. It also protects brain function. Several studies suggest that the Mediterranean diet is good for your brain and may even prevent you from cognitive loss as you age. Another benefit is that it supports healthy blood sugar levels. The Mediterranean diet promotes a range of nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, whole grains, and heart-healthy fats. As a result, adhering to this eating pattern may aid in the stabilization of blood sugar levels and the prevention of type 2 diabetes. Foods to eat. It's debatable which foods fit in the Mediterranean diet, partially because there are different countries in the Mediterranean regions. Most studies looked at a diet that was high in nutritious plant foods and low in animal products and meat. However, eating fish and seafood at least twice a week is recommended. Regular physical activity, sharing meals with others, and reducing stress are all part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Fresh, frozen, dry, and canned fruits and vegetables can all be used, but check package labels for added sugar and sodium. You should ideally base your diet on these nutritious Mediterranean foods. 1. Vegetables such as tomatoes, broccoli, kale, spinach, onions, cauliflower, carrots, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and turnips. 2. Fruits such as apples, bananas, oranges, pears, strawberries, grapes, dates, figs, melons, and peaches. 3. Nuts, seeds, and nut butter, such as almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, hazelnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almond butter and peanut butter. 4. Legumes such as beans, peas, lentils, pulses, peanuts and chickpeas. 5. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, rye, barley, corn, buckwheat, whole wheat bread and pasta. 6. Fish and seafood such as salmon, sardines, trout, tuna, mackerel, shrimp, oysters, clams, crab, and mussels. 7. Poultry such as chicken, duck, and turkey. 8. Eggs such as chicken, quail, and duck eggs. 9. Dairy such as cheese, yogurt, and milk. Finally, herbs and spices such as garlic, basil, mint, rosemary, sage, nutmeg, cinnamon, and pepper. Healthy fats such as extra virgin olive oil, olives, avocados, and avocado oil. Check the description below for a complete comprehensive Mediterranean meal plan for beginners. Foods to avoid. When following the Mediterranean diet, you should avoid the following processed foods and ingredients. Added sugar. Added sugar is found in many foods but especially high in soda, candies, ice cream, table sugar, syrup, and baked goods. Refined grains like white bread, pasta, chips, tortillas, and crackers. Trans fats such as ones found in margarine, fried foods, and other processed foods. Refined oils such as soybean oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, grapeseed oil. Processed meat like processed sausages, hot dogs, deli meats, and beef jerky should all be avoided. Highly processed foods such as fast food, convenience meals, microwave popcorn, and granola bars should be avoided as well. On a Mediterranean diet, water should be your primary beverage. This diet also includes a small amount of red wine each day. As already stated, perhaps 1 glass. This is, however, entirely optional, and wine should be avoided by certain people, such as those who are pregnant, have trouble drinking in moderation, or are taking certain drugs that may interact with alcohol. On the Mediterranean diet, coffee and tea are also healthful beverage options. Be wary of using a lot of extra sugar or cream. Sugar-sweetened beverages, such as soda or sweet tea, are rich in added sugar and should be avoided. Fruit juice is acceptable in moderation, but you're better off eating entire fruits to obtain the fiber benefit. Here are a few ideas of foods to snack on when hungry. Nuts, fruits, baby carrots with hummus, grapes, Greek yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, berries, apples, and cottage cheese with fresh fruits. Eating out. Many restaurant menu items are Mediterranean friendly. Choose whole grains, veggies, legumes, fish, and healthy fats wherever possible. It's also important to eat and relish your dinner with nice company. So pick something that sounds delicious. Here are a few pointers to help you adapt foods when dining out. Opt for fish or seafood as the main course. Inquire with your server if your meal may be prepared using extra virgin olive oil. Instead of butter, use olive oil on whole grain toast. Vegetables or salads can be added to your order. Though there is no one-size-fits-all Mediterranean diet, it is generally high in healthful plant foods and low in animal foods, with a focus on seafood. It has been linked to a variety of health advantages, including helping to regulate blood sugar levels, increase heart health, and improve cognitive function, among others. The best part is that you may customize the Mediterranean diet to suit your needs. If you don't care for salmon or sardines but enjoy whole wheat pasta and olive oil, then start putting together great Mediterranean-inspired meals with things you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Dr. Health and turn on your notification for more content. Like and share. Leave healthy, stay healthy.